MongoDB components. Let us discuss what are the different components the MongoDB is having. MongoDB is having mainly three components. The first one is the database. Obviously, the database will be there where we will be storing our data, and database will be consisting of multiple collections. Collections are actually nothing but the tables in the RDBMS. It is having the analogy like this, and these collections will have the documents, and these documents are nothing but the key value pair where actually the data will be stored. So MongoDB components are mainly of three. So one is the databases, next one is the collections, and next one is the documents. So let us go for some further discussion on it. So what are the different MongoDB components? So MongoDB components are documents, collections, and databases. So let us go one by one. So documents in the MongoDB. So the documents are the set of key value pairs, and the documents have the dynamic schema. So that is very important. In case of RDBMS, all the tables must be having a fixed static schema. All the records, all the tuples must be having the same number of attributes and same type of attributes. But here in this case, it is having a dynamic schema, so we can have multiple different types of schemas for different documents. So for the documents in the same collection may or may not have the same set of fields. Next one, we are having this collection in MongoDB. So the collections are the set of MongoDB documents, and it is like the table of RDBMS. So a collection is actually consisting of multiple documents. So it is having the analogy with the tables in our RDBMS. So collections do not enforce a schema, and documents within a collection can have different fields, and typically all the documents in a collection are of similar or related purpose. And that's why they'll be coming under one collection. If the documents are similar, if the documents are related, then those documents will be coming under one collection. Next one is the database in MongoDB. That is the third component. So the database is the physical collection of containers, and a single MongoDB server typically has multiple databases. So that's why we're having mainly three components, that is the databases, collections, and documents. Thanks for watching this video.